be able to follow instructions, be able to listen to instructions. An intelligent person listens to instruction. An intelligent person listens to instructions. Let us look at the Bible. The Bible says King Saul was dethroned because he failed to obey simple instructions that were given to him by Prophet Samuel. That if you go to that country, if you go at war to that country, destroy everything, kill everything. Whatever that you find there, kill it. But when Saul got to that country, he saw the animals, he saw the gold, he saw the women, and he kept some to himself. And he was destroyed because he failed to obey instructions. Do you know, people of God, you can be destroyed by failing to follow instructions. So I pray for you wherever you are. May you be able to follow instructions, whatever instructions given to you by your leader or by your pastor or by your husband. Follow instructions. You know, in this world, there are people who can't just follow instructions. If you give them an instruction to say, do this and do this, they can't do it. Or you give them an instruction like we're in the COVID era right now and say to them, if you do not want to catch COVID-19, wear a mask or sanitize. They will tell you that they will never wear a mask. They are stubborn. They can't wear a mask. So these are the simple instructions for us to avoid a sickness that is killing everybody. But you find out someone that they are not following a simple instruction. If you wear a